Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hey, Jody is still. What ain't them in here doing?
Come in.
Hey, Annie.
Nephew. No, baby, hold up, cause what you want to do? You see my mask? You know they got that coronavirus out there. I'm too old. I got underlying issues.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Baby, I'm sure glad you can come up here now. I need you to go over there and fix that antenna for me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Make believe.
Baby, I sure glad. You see that ceiling fan up there? That ceiling fan got a whole lot of dust on it. I need you to get a rag and clean that, get that dust off that ceiling fan for me. Because, baby, I can't reach it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Get this, y'all. That's good.
Thank you, baby. Ain't it sure appreciated. Cause just look at it. That just looks so much better.
Man, you got anything to drink? I'm a little thirsty.
You want something to drink? Sure, I got a variety over there. Got some Dr. Pepper, got some orange, got some strawberry. Just go over there and look and see, and you can just get what you want, baby. You know you welcome to anything I got in here that you want to drink.
Okay.
Baby, I need you to do something else for me. You see my feet? My feet done got cold. Can you go look in the bedroom, look in that first drawer on the right, and give me some socks, because my feet done got cold.
Yes, ma'am. Open this bad boy. Well, I ain't gonna never get to see baby. Show me. Oh, dang. This bad boy.
I hear you in there saying something. What you saying, baby?
I ain't say nothing, ain't it? It's okay, ain't it? You good now?
Thank you, baby, for getting my socks for me, because my feet feel so much better. Now they don't feel so cold. Now they warm up some.
All right, well, I'm finna go and have that drink now. Finna go and get me one of these drinks.
Go ahead, baby. But first, can you fix this rug right here, the corner of that rug? Because, you know, folks be coming in and folks just come. Some people just come in and be looking for an accident. They just be wanting a frivolous lawsuit. And I ain't got no insurance.
Hello? Yeah. I just stopped over here by my aunt and them, huh? I'm gonna be on my way over there in just a little bit. All right. All right, I gotta go. My little lady friend waiting on me, rushing me, you know, so I'm gonna go head out. I love y'all. All right? Hello? Baby, you saved me. I was in there going hard, ain't it? Couldn't get no rest. But here I come.